Morning, Steve Freed in the grain markets this morning. We've got prices about unchanged, maybe a little bit higher. Beans kind of up a little bit, wheat up a little bit, corn down a little bit. I think that overnight USDA pretty much estimated U.S. corn, soybean harvest and winter wheat plantings as expected. The market might be a little bit firmer because we're still behind our normal pace. It is interesting that we still have a good weather forecast for the Midwest this week, and that should help harvest progress, especially if they focus on the beans. Yesterday, NASS had their annual outlook meeting here in Chicago. They expressed some confidence in their acreage numbers for corn and beans. They also said they've got about 80% of their objective yield fields harvested in corn and only 35% of the beans. So that leaves a little bit of room for them to adjust the bean yield, and obviously the bears feel that they could raise that yield in the next report as they get more harvest data. South America, 10% of the Brazil soybeans are planted. That's behind average and the slowest since 2008, 2009. They should be getting some rains this week, which actually will help their harvest progress, and I think that they will try to catch up as quickly as they can. So the bottom line is that the market still feels that bean prices could go lower if we start filling the pipeline here in the U.S. and South American weather's okay. Corn prices still kind of hovering between a trading range. Could be a fairly wide trading range depending upon how much grain the farmers sell and what the demand is for the corn. And for the wheat, also a similar type trading range, and that kind of depends a little bit on just how much world demand there is, some of the outside markets as far as currencies and financial markets are concerned, and just how much competitive Europe and Black Sea is to new wheat export demand. Outside markets, everything's a little firmer. Chinese data was okay for manufacturing, and so that might be helping our markets a little bit here this morning. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.